Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me another item, and this is a free item and is a paid review. And they have sent me 4-watt Candelabra LED bulbs. And they're 5000K daylight white bulbs. It's a pack of 6. And we just want to see that these show off a nice white, bright color. And these are supposed to last very, very long time. They'll lengthen the time that you have to change light bulbs enormously. I've heard up to 3 to 5 years on LED bulbs. So let's show the difference. Now this is a standard bulb that you would normally get from a store for a candelabra. So this is a normal bulb that you would get from a standard bulb in a lamp that you would buy at a store. So let's go ahead and shut down the lights so we can see just how bright that is. So you can see the ambient light that we're getting from that. And it's a pretty nice bulb. It is actually a pretty nice bulb. So let's turn that off. Turn that off. But we'll keep the light on so you can see me. Otherwise we'd be in the dark. And as you can see, that puts off a really nice white light. And what's nice about a white light is it's really good to read by. If you're reading at night, a white light is really nice to read by. And it's a nice cool light. And the beauty of an LED light is that they last so long. I mean, it's up to 3 to 5 times longer than your standard bulbs. So go out and get yourself a LED 4-watt Candelabra light bulb. You can see they're just as bright as your standard bulbs, and they last so much longer, making them so much worth it.